The second part is that we have to convert these fractions into decimals. So let us start. The first one is 27 over 100. Now, as this is a decimal fraction, how to convert decimal fractions into decimal? We will just count the number of zeros present in the denominator, that is 2 in this case, and we will place the decimal point after counting 2 places from right hand side. So if we count 2 places from right hand side, we would get 2 and 7 both are taken. So we get the point over here. So the decimal for 27 upon 100 is 0.27. For the next one, that is 3 upon 25, either we can divide, because this is the vulgar fraction. For vulgar fractions, we either do the division, the long division form, or what we can do is we can convert this into a decimal fraction by multiplying the denominator with such a number such that the denominator gets converted into power of 10. So what do we get? We can get 100. Because we have multiplied the denominator with 4, we have to multiply the same with the numerator also as per the rule. So 3 4s becomes 12. Now the decimal can be written quite easily, that is 0.12. Right? The next is the third part, where we have to write the decimal for 15 upon 7. Now as I discussed, this is a vulgar fraction, that means it is having a denominator other than the power of 10. So what are we going to do? Either we can follow the long division method, right? That is this way. We can continue 7 2s are 14, 1 is the remainder, put a decimal place and add a 0. We can continue like this, another 0, 4s are 28, again 2, then again 7 2s are 14 and 7. It's got 6. You have added a 0, so you can keep adding zeros. And now 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. Again you land up with 4. 7 5s are 35. 5. 7 7s are 49. And you get the remainder 1. Now please pay attention over here. The division is going long, but the remainder has started getting repeated. So for such decimals, you can say, for such decimals when the remainders have started to repeat. Over here also we had 1. When the remainders start repeating, that is the point where we stop. So we can write the decimal for 15 upon 7 as 2.142857. We know that it is going to continue, but for the writing purpose we must stop where the remainder has started to repeat.